Check out this new fire pit. It's propane operated, and you operate it on a tabletop. Just find a level tabletop, spread out your glass beads. Real simple to put together. Next, take the propane tank cover that comes with the unit and slip it over your 20-pound propane tank. It's got drawstrings on the bottom and the top for a better fit and a classier look. Next, take the propane regulator and hose hookup that's provided. It's 10 feet long, so you can position it well out of the way. The other end is a quick connect for your convenience. You slip it on, pull the ring back, click the ring back in, snug it down. Now you've got plenty of room to use that 10-foot hose to hide your tank. Simply press in on the start button, turn it until it starts. Use the knob to adjust the height and enjoy. The unit comes with a real handy cover, and you want to use this on here to protect the electronics inside. When it rains, it pours. But this cover will give you many, many years of long service, and all you have to do now is enjoy the flames.